Hey everyone, the Punta Rassa Boat Ramp in Fort Myers is about ready to reopen, and I know that has a lot of boaters excited. So we took Crystal Blue over to the boat ramp and we flew the drone around so you guys could take a look. And we're going to give you some information about what's coming up at the ramp. Cheers! So it's about 3 feet right here in front of the Punta Rassa Boat Ramp entrance. So a little skinny, and we're right outside the rocks, if you can see that. So we're gonna poke in to the entrance here. Show you guys some depths, about 4.5 feet. We're just coming into the rocks right now. And as you get inside the entrance, it gets quite a bit deeper. At 6 feet, 7 feet. We're gonna anchor up by the docks up here. Take a look. The boat ramp will reopen to the public on Thursday, August 21st, with limited amenities, and those amenities include the boat ramp, partial docks, parking, and restrooms. This reopening is just phase 1 of the project, and work will continue as the site opens up. Future improvements include completed dock access, a fish cleaning station, landscaping, additional lighting. Signs and buffers will be put in place during this process. Boaters are asked to stay off the dock that is under construction and refrain from climbing on the riprap along the causeway. Lee County Parks and Rec will have staff and rangers on site. Parking information, payments will be accepted in bills and major credit cards. Parking fees are going to be $10 for 24 hours, $20 for 48 hours, and $30 for 72 hours, and passes do not exceed 72 hours. Payments will be accepted in bills and all major credit cards. Exact change only, they said. The Punta Rassa Boat Ramp features 2 double ramps with a short wooden dock in between the two and long wooden docks on either side of the ramps. There's plenty of room for staging on those longer docks, but remember, one of the longer docks on the left-hand side is still under construction. There will also be a fish cleaning station like I mentioned before, restrooms, and several vehicle and trailer combination parking spaces, along with several single vehicle parking spaces as well. Hope this info helps you guys out, and thanks again for watching. Hopefully we'll see you out on the water soon. Cheers, everybody.